think that's a tornado. I really think it is.
The trees are kind of blocking it.
Trees are blocking it, but we're getting close to it too.
It'll open up, I think, again. It's right around here, maybe.
I really think right there, that's the tornado.
Yep, I can see the development.
Is it?
What's going on? Let's see.
That looks like a tornado. That's a tornado. That's a tornado. That's a tornado right there. Tornado on the ground.
Oh,
That's a tornado on the ground. That's a tornado on the ground right over there. We're gonna get a little closer to it. There's a tornado on the ground just north of Waco, Texas. Don't film me.
I'm sorry.
Yeah! Tornado! Stovepipe! Stovepipe tornado! Stovepipe tornado on the ground! Stovepipe tornado on the ground! Wow! That's amazing! There's a tornado on the ground! We're gonna get up a little bit closer. Big lightning up here. Big lightning. Yes! Yes! Tornado on the ground! There's a tornado on the ground! That's amazing! Come on, guys. Wow, look at that thing! Look at that! Tornado on the ground! We have a tornado on the ground! Oh my gosh, that's amazing! Look at that! There's a tornado! I can't believe it! Wow, look at that thing! Look at that! Alright, that's amazing! That's amazing! Okay, we gotta keep going.
Sorry, I can't see anything.
Look at that! Beautiful tornado in Waco, just north of Waco, Texas. Beautiful tornado. Wow, look at that tornado! That's amazing! Wow, it's getting bigger! It's getting bigger! Oh my gosh, this is a big tornado. This is a big tornado. It's growing in size. Oh, it's getting colder. Wow. I'm gonna try and get to a spot where we can see it. Wow, look at that!
Right there, right there.
Wow, look at that! Amazing, 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 amazing.
So cool.
Look at that, get the camcorder out. We got a tornado on the ground, just north of Waco, Texas. Look at that! That is amazing. Yep, it's roping out. It's roping out. Tornado's dying. Roping out. Behind all that rain. Yep, there it goes. Roping out.
So it's just gone?
Just like that. Yep.
Could another one drop?
Yes. So we do have to be careful.
Yeah, we're like...
That's it's still a little rope.